Let's go. Come on. Happy Friday nights, party people. Just reading some stuff. Just reading stuff. Heyo. Good evening. Thanks, City. Thanks, City. Christy. Heyo. Stuart. Heyo. Beth. Hi. Trick. Good evening, all. Ooh, I think what's his name? Yo, Crystal. Richard, what's good? Let me see if I can. One second, guys. I think Ryan talked about coming on earlier, so I want to make sure he's good here. Alrighty, there we go. Good evening, guys. Happy Friday. Friday night. Friday night. Two small potatoes for the metaverse. No, what do you mean? What do you mean? La. Poverty is below my line. Unbelievable, Stuart. That's what you post. Your poverty is below my line from a big Daddy Powell. Well, so largest ETH whale pounds on Shiba Inu buys over 188 million. Wow. Okay. 88 million. Let's see here. Crypto. I think I'm looking for that in the wrong spot there. I'm looking for an article that I saw earlier. There we go. Biden on crypto rules, national security, blah blah blah. Interesting. What's good, Noah? Liquid tension. Let's go. Hey yo. It's too small for the metaverse. No. The ad right before the stream was way cool. Really? What was the ad? I never get to see these ads, Bev. I never get to see the ads. Is yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Actually, Arizona. I thought that was really cool. Right. So, Bitcoin. New bill would make look at that 5 hours ago. So that came out 5 hours ago. And that's what I'm interested in here, right? So I don't know if you guys, most of you guys, most of you guys have seen this article already. It's in Discord, yeah. This is cool, guys. New Senate bill would make Bitcoin legal tender in Arizona, guys. Look at that, all right? How cool is that? Talk about crypto not going anywhere, right? Regulation cool, but going anywhere? Nope. Crypto's here to stay, right? So that's amazing. That's huge. The fact that this is even being thought about, the fact that there's even a bill, that means someone sat down and said, okay, this and this and this and this and this, okay, maybe this is possible, is huge. When it's almost, let's go, Peter. Good evening. Hi. Hello. Bitcoin is still just holding $37,000, which is fine, right? It's arriving. Right? So that's amazing. Like that's amazing, right? So again, a new Senate bill would make Bitcoin legal tender in Arizona, right? So crypto, right? So possibly coming soon. Changing the game in the USA. Look at that, guys. Again, so Arizona would be if that's passed, right? Imagine like what happens in the rest of So legal tender in Arizona. So now, I was like, buy a meta room. Also, oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get to see those ads. But again, the metaverse is something. There's actually another article about Apple and the metaverse, right? So which is interesting. Again, we talk about these names and we think like we're small fish. Um, don't know what word I'm looking for. Um, But it's amazing to see all these, it's amazing to see states, for example, right? Look at Bitcoin, start looking at crypto, right? It's amazing to see companies like Apple and Nike. Look at the metaverse, right? So just stuff like this, that's cool. It's pretty cool. You're moving to Arizona. You're moving to Arizona. Sounds good. We have a hot trades meetup spot. Don't you worry. Let's go. That's amazing. Let me see if there's any more to this article, guys. Again, so it's Wendy Rogers, right, a Republican, has introduced a new Senate bill which would make Bitcoin a legal tender across the Grand Canyon state, right? So blah 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 blah. Cryptocurrency could allow the state agencies to accept blah, 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 currencies as payment method for fines, civil and other penalties, rents, taxes, fees, charges, revenues, financial obligations, and other. So what they're saying here is this is not for shopping. That's what I'm seeing here, Stuart. This is not for shopping. This is for when you're criminal. This is what you get to use it for. Unbelievable. Look at this. Okay, agencies to accept cryptocurrencies as payments for fines, civil and other penalties, rent, rates, taxes, fees, charges, revenue. I'm not sure what our revenue, financial obligations, and the special assessments due to the state. Look at this rubbish. This is for when you're a criminal, and they know all of you criminals in the chats have crypto, right? So they're like, okay, this is not for going out for dinner, right? This is not for this is not for going for a haircut. This is not for going shopping, right? This is for all of you criminals in the chats. Unbelievable. Okay, well, I mean, it's acceptance, right? Let me not speak too soon. So the bill defines cryptocurrency. The bill defines cryptocurrencies as let me see here. Cryptocurrency and verify the transfer of monies. Okay, cool. Central bank, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. It means the issue of the. Okay, cool. La la la. Okay, well, criminals. All of you guilty people is what they're looking for. You mean my lawyer been accepting Bitcoin? Your lawyer's accepting Bitcoin next because your Bitcoin knows you're a criminal. They're like, yep, my client has Bitcoin or my client has crypto. I might as well take it. They're going to jail anyways, right? So, with you know, I like. Okay, unbelievable. Sometimes we need to. It's a good thing. Like it's huge. It's a huge step. Like that's huge, and that's amazing, right? But when you read these headlines, you're like, wow. You can go out to a restaurant. You can go to the shopping mall, and maybe spend some of your crypto. Nope. They're like, nope, nope, nope. All of you guilty people that are about to go to jail, might as well give us your Bitcoin because you're not coming back anyways. Or all of these people that are speeding on the highway, yep, give us your crypto. Unbelievable. Want our crypto? Damn. Wow. That's probably why I never been to jail yet. Been making gains of your payments, right, Nick? Exactly. That's really interesting. Really, really interesting. Um, Unbelievable. Anyways, so speaking of Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is sold in 375 here, right? So this is a level to watch. Not sure why there isn't a line here I'm not sure why, but I know that's a level to watch. Some of these lines have disappeared for some reason here. Yep. Some of them are just in the abyss, guys. Not sure why. It is what it is. We know these levels, anyways. You can see that we bounced off this level initially, right? This 375 level, right? Nice bounce. See if we can do that again, right? See if we can create a double bottom here, guys, and bounce, right? That would be perfect. That would be amazing, right? Get back above $38,000 and have a good weekend, right? So we talked about this earlier, how the market closed strong. Hopefully, crypto can continue this momentum, right? Um, right? That'd be amazing. Would be amazing. So we're bouncing already, right? $10 off that level. Well, $10 for Bitcoin is nothing, but that's a nice little bounce here initially, right? So we're bouncing off that level. Taking a look at everything else. Some of these metaverse names are still doing really good, actually, right? So stuff like San, Mana, Gala, right? So San and Mana have done a lot better than Gala have. I mean, it might be expected, but yeah. So So we can take a look at some at these names as the night goes on, right? So speaking of metaverse names, let's go back over here. I think there's an article about. I'm not sure where it is. Hmm. So this one from earlier, right? So again, metaverse name, right? The Sandbox. Can you guys even see that? No. Okay, never mind. So we'll come back to this. So Fidelity plans US Fidelity guys. Fidelity plans US ETFs tied to metaverse crypto industry. Wow, Fidelity, right? Your trading platform, your whatever, right? So they're planning an ETF around the metaverse, right? Um, is all in now. He's ready. All in for what? Started selling off. You come on, same with AMC. No, no. Crystal. Unbelievable. The big boys, yeah, they are right. So again, the Fidelity Metaverse ETF will seek to provide returns comparable to proprietary index comprised of stocks of companies that generate at least 50% of their total revenue from categories such as computing, hardware, and components. Right. La 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 la. In turn, the Fidelity yeah. Yeah, and so again, it for me like it's the headline, right? And the headline is huge, right? Again, Fidelity Metaverse ETF. That's interesting, right? Exciting, cool, right? Again, so Bitcoin is bouncing off that level that we talked about, right, guys? Again, so 37.5 is a level of support, right? So I'm gonna put a line here because it's gone somewhere. It's gone shopping. So again, bounce here initially. We know the support here, right? And it's bouncing again off the same level. So hold, bounce. Hopefully, that would be amazing, right? So there we go. Look at that bounce. Very nice. Only it's taking over, making his making this an AFC stream. Let's go. Let's go AFC. Let's go Bulls. Come on. So again, more metaverse information here, right? So the Sandbox, right? This is this we I think we mentioned this earlier, right? The Sandbox again, top metaverse play, right? For most people, this is the leader in the metaverse play in the space, right? So and Warner Music Group to create music themed land, right? So music themed land. I think there's a number here in terms of like revenue. That's what I'm interested in, right? So the Sandbox announced Thursday a partnership with La 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 Warner Music to create a musical theme park and concert venue within the gaming metaverse, right? La la la, concert experiences, cool, right? Look at that, guys. Now you're going to be going in concerts in the metaverse. Mm, so so this initiative marked Warner Music's first entry into the NFT metaverse realm, according to a statement shared with Cointelegraph. Right, its goal is to create immersive social experiences that can empower Warner Music artists. Right, the sandbox could provide artists with another outlet to engage their fans, not their only fans, their fans. He's still in a Peter. That's not even the name, so you can suck it. Unbelievable. Yeah, right. Bleh, alone. Tonight, yeah. So we're shaping the sandbox as a fun, entertaining designation where creators, fans, and players can enjoy first of a kind immersive experiences and be closely connected to their favorite musical artists and through NFTs, right? So another thing that we've talked about, right? So there was something else to this article that I was interested in terms of like revenue, some big number, right? So I can't quite find it. So we can come back to this, right? Again, more metaverse stuff. Apple, right? So where's Apple, guys? Look at that, right? So see if I can click on this here, right? Again, Apple's I mean, when it comes to like Apple's one of the Apple basically like Apple, right? Basically, just drag the market up with it today, right? It's in the morning earlier today, right? Apple beat earnings, they crushed earnings. Like Tesla struggled after earnings, but Apple was like, you know what? Nah, not doing that, not doing any of that rubbish, right? So Apple, right? Apple stock jumps after CEO reveals it's investing in the metaverse. Right, so Tim Cook, right, said to it said in an investors call that metaverse applications have a lot of potential, and that his company is investing in AR development on its devices, right? Interesting, guys. Interesting again. So if you're looking for a place like this, you want to scale it anyways, right? Slowly, 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 right? It's not as much as the like the metaverse has become a thing now. It's not a one day it's not a one day investment, right? It's not a. Will you please translate to no, come back, come back, Beth. So Apple stock jumped in an after-hours trading session. After CEO Tim Cook said during the Q1 2022 earnings call that he sees considerable potential in the metaverse space. Right. When asked during the call on Thursday about Apple's opportunities within the metaverse, Cook responded, "We see a lot of potential in the space, and we are investing accordingly." Right. There you go. So that's a quote from him, right? We are always exploring new and emerging technologies, and I have spoken at length about how it's very interesting to us right now, right? La la la. Anything else here, guys? Apple had Apple blah 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 blah. Whereas Meta, right? So Meta and Facebook, right? So Meta, Metaverse, Oculus, blah blah blah, right? Embrace the development is believed to be focused on gaming, communication, and content consumption. Blah blah blah. There you go. Again, most of these things, right? For most of these names, it's all about like the headlines for now, right? So because these companies, they're just looking, right? Right? They're just looking. Um, s'il te plaît, boy, s'il te plaît, je t'aime, love you too, boy, love you too. Blair's gone from like love you too, Blair, love you very much. Um, happened to what happened to la stewards? You missed your big money opportunity with I know. You know what, Stewart? Stewart, the land is yeah, that land in India, it's lits. There you go. Anyways, good evening, guys. Ranger Heyo. What are my favorite metaverse cryptos? I like Mana and Sand. Mana and Sand. Uh, Jam. I think you're asking that question. Yeah. So, question for you guys in the chat, right? So, Jam is asking, what are your favorite metaverse cryptos, right? So maybe you can let them know what some of your favorite plays are when it comes to the metaverse. Um, there you go. So look at that, guys. Tech firm closes first metaverse mortgage for acquisition in Decentraland, right? So Decentraland, that's Mana, um, right? That's interesting, right? So let's see if there's anything else to this article. Let's see. It's in what is being touted as a first of its kind transaction, a capital firm has taken out a mortgage to occupy space in the metaverse. Oh yeah, let's go. You know what I'm excited about because I see Canada. I don't know. It says Canadian technology firm Terra Zero, which was founded last year to capitalize on demand for a virtual community concept offered. I think I lost it. Financing for the $30,000 deal. La Decentraland. Okay, cool. Okay. Just quickly scanning through that stuff, guys. Yeah, engine for you, Gala for you as well. Okay, Gala and engine. Yeah, those are two again. Those are two other names, right? Mana for you. Okay. I like the verse part. You like Axie Infinity. Okay, there you go. Mana, love Decentraland, Andrew. Okay, there you go. Right, so yeah, um, absolutely, guys. So yeah, some names for you to keep in, to watch, right? Some of these names are the reason why I've looked at Mana and San a lot more closer is because these guys are looked at as the leaders in the space, right? So it's a brand new space. Well, maybe it's not, but to us, it's new, right? So I wanna, if I'm gonna invest in that, I wanna go to the, I wanna go to to the leader, or right, because those things have done really well. So and Sana, the big boys, yeah. So I wanna go to the big boys and say, okay, these guys are making some pretty big deals, right? Samsung, right? Deals with Samsung, deals with all of these names we talked about, right? Last week we saw that they partnered with the Australian Open, right? So people can go to the park without going to the park, right? And watch tennis without going out there to watch tennis, right? So which is cool. So want to look for stuff like that, right? And then you can look for the other names as well. So um, again, if you take a look at percentage gain today, right? Take a look at Mana and Sand and compare that to everything else, right? Those two names have done a lot better, right? They've done a lot better. So for example, let's take a look at this. Um, we can come back to this article here in a bit, right? Let's take a look at the chart here as Bitcoin is finding that it's trying, right, to find that support. We know the support here at 37.5, but then you take a look at, so let's take a look at, right, you take a look, the chart's just reset it here, right? We take a look at Sand, right? So Sand, it's up about 5%, right, in the last 24 hours, right? You take a look at Mana. Mana's done really well as well. The reason I know that you can't really see, right? You can't really see, right? So what I'm talking about are these candles here, right? In the last 24 hours, it's had some nice run, like that Sand there. But then you take a look at Gala. Gala still see the sitting at the same price there almost, right? So sitting at the same price, and most of these, not all the smaller metaverse names, are sitting at the same price, right? So that's why I am looking for the leader in this space, guys. Yeah, there you go. Voyager, let's go, Queen. Good evening. Hey yo. Where can I buy? Can you find sand other than the beach? Where can you find sand? So Beth mentioned crypto.com, so that's a spot to look for it, right? So crypto.com would be a spot, right? Dubai is where you can find some sand. You can find some sand at the beach, right? And on crypto.com. So there's a link in the description there for crypto.com if you want. So here you go. Not Dubai. Also Voyager. There you go. Right. So aiming to be a stream. Okay, sounds good, Stuart. Uh, Friday night. Friday night, Big Alpha. Woot woots. Friday night. Let's go. That article disappeared on me there. So in and come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. You can do it. You know what we need, guys? Bitcoin just bouncing off this level, right? So we know the support here just needs to explode from that level, right? We can take a look at a Shiba and Doge, right? But those names are not really moving at all, right? So Shiba has been at 14 cents, right? For the last for the last bit. So holding that level, which is nice, all right? Dogecoin is 14 cents, right? Shiba still basically sitting around that same level as well that it was at the last stream. So not a whole lot of movement yet, right? So not a whole lot. Getting a foot of snow here in New York. New York, a foot of snow. A foot of snow. Foot of snow. So let's take a look at this article, guys. Again, why the White House, right? The White House wants crypto rules as a matter of national security. Interesting, right? So again, not exactly the worst thing, right? We've seen states like Arizona talk about using, right? Arizona, guys, right? Arizona talk about using Bitcoin. They filed the bill already using Bitcoin as legal tender, right? So which is amazing, right? So again, so this article might be really interesting. It sheds the fact that everyone thinks that going to 30K or slightly under makes it's not going to happen, Stuart. Yeah, right. Always the opposite. Always the opposite, right? So I hope the bottom is in, right? So all I'm looking for, honestly, like I never look for specific numbers, right? I'm always looking for like those higher lows, support, higher low, higher low, higher low. Want to reclaim 40K, then that's amazing. We found the bottom. Let's go, right? So the White House wants crypto rules as a matter of national security. So the Biden administration is preparing to release an executive action that will task the federal agencies with regulating assets such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a matter of national security. A person familiar with this story. Okay, cool, right? So, is there any more to this? No, I think that's it. So, the government with another, la la la. So the White House. So yeah, that the article is so. No, no, no. The White House National Security Council would also be involved, right? The person, nah. So since crypto has been okay, cool, right? Just quickly scanning there, guys. It seems like an article that is again just shedding some light on what potentially could happen. We know this is happening already, right? So the White House wouldn't use recommendations, right? It would be given 3 to 6 months to come up with proposals, and the White House would act as a policy coordinator, right? So yeah, So again, maybe by the end of 2022, guys, we might have some crypto regulations, right? Maybe like the second half of the year, right? We might have something. But for now, again, we know they're looking into this stuff anyways. It's not a surprise, you know. So again, regulation not exactly the worst thing. So we just have to wait and see, right? Wait and see. That's it. Wait and see. Right? Uh, let's go. Regulation means acceptance, queen, right? Exactly, right? Regulations equals acceptance, right? Sure, we can pay taxes on that, right? But at least we get to keep our crypto, right? We don't get to you don't get to be China and say bye bye to everything, right? 1 inch pump. The dollar's worst days in any tracking. The dollar. The dollar, guys. So again, Bitcoin is bouncing on that support, right? So again, 375. We just want to pump. We want to pump. We want to pump back about $38,000. Is that too much to ask? It's much to ask, guys. You got some again crypto bubbles, right? Saitama here's Saitama 22% 23%, right? In the last 24 hours or so. Might be a little bit delayed here. No, it should be good now. There you go. Why are these crypto bubbles running away from the right hand side? What's over here? I don't know what. I don't know. I don't know. Can't pump in this code. He cannot what in that code, Andrew. So that's why AFC's been crashing, huh? Unbelievable. Love from India. What do you think about sushi? Jaysha? Sushi? Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. The dollar doesn't need to go. What do you mean, TJ? I forgot I had Saitama. Let me go look. Right. So if you have some Saitama, guys, go take a look because it's up a little bit. So depending on where you bought it, you might be sitting in some nice gains, right? So on official Minecraft NFT game blog verse, disappears with more than. Can you guys believe this? Oh, here we go. Right? Unofficial, guys. Minecraft's NFT game, Blockverse, disappears with more than 1 million. Where did it go? Nobody knows, right? It just disappeared. $1 million, poof, gone. Right? NFT gaming. Mine, mine. What? Hey Amber. Hey oh, how are you? Got back from my eating ramen. Your stuffed some ramen. Okay, sounds good. So let's go back to. Let's see him. So another day, right? Another day. Another. Look at this, guys. Another day. Another NFT rock pool. Ramen is good. Basically, it's harder to track paper money. Period. There you go. Right. Another day, another NFT rock pool. Here we go. All right. This is la 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 on chain enables cool. Right. So enthusiasm for block first was high. Right. The initial supply of 10,000 NFTs priced at 0.05 ETH, currently $124 each. Reportedly sold out in less than 8 minutes. Right. So these things sold out in less than 8 minutes. Just a couple of days ago, later, the project's creator deleted their website, Discord server, and and game server, right? And disappeared with the money, guys. Yeah, just disappeared, right? It's like, okay, we made those gains, all right? We made $1 million. We're gonna just delete everything, and your money's gone bye bye, right? So I mean, you can still sell your NFTs, right? There's value there, but starts making ramen, Andrew. Look at this, guys. Again, as NFTs grow, as NFT scams grow in number, NFT insurance hits the market. NFT insurance, guys. There's a business for everything now. NFT insurance. Look at that, right? I mean, and some NFTs they're expensive, right? Some of them go for millions. So now there's NFT insurance, just in case you get rock pulled, maybe. I don't know. Uh, there you go. So there's now popular non called the board ape. It's enough. La 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 la. It's big enough to deal with. Okay, cool. No one knows. Investors paid money. Minted. Okay, cool. In this case, investors paid the money, but the tokens were never minted. A classic bait and switch scam. Wow. The investors weren't completely unsophisticated. The verification, la 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 la. Okay, cool. uh, la, la, la. Insurance, they can get insurance as well. Reaction to the scams. Okay, cool. The insurance industry has created new policies for protecting NFTs. Cool. Getting put on hot rate NFTs. Getting put on the hot rate NFTs, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's going to rock pool us after the NFTs are gone, right? Rock pool, guys, and the NFT. No, that's rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Um, speaking of look at that, guys. Speaking of NFTs, hot trades NFTs, guys. I like it. I think it's really cool. I think it's super super cool. So yeah, still some yeah, we'll get to that later. We'll get to that later. That's interesting. So Bitcoin again finding support at 375 and bouncing. So good. Getting some puts, some leftover spaghetti, but not the same. Yeah, it's not the same queen. Like after when you like pasta for the first time, it's fire. All right. After that, I just feel weird having pasta. Like gold is the one, Stuart. Yeah, gold is be like it's looking different now. Honestly, like it's looking so different now. Now that you guys like the gold one more, looking so different. Let's see here. Here you go. I wish the green one had a background, Beth. The green one, interesting. Uh, nah, nah. Nah. Okay. Let's see. Ramen with egg. Olivia, nice. Oh la la. Yeah, the green. You wish the green one had a background. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Yes, so let me take a look. Actually, yeah, I think. Yeah, interesting. Did you cry? Did you cry all afternoon? Oh, Amber, about what? Oh, about what is it called? Okay. Oh no. Like Amber, honestly, like you can't, right? It's not the first time. It's not the first play I'm gonna get into and take profits way too early, right? That's just something that I've come to terms with. Oh no, I slept. I had some dinner, lunch, right? And I slept. No, it is what it is, right? So again, like my for me, like the biggest thing is consistency, right? So that's the style of like trading I want to do, right? I want to be consistent, right? To me, right? If I can consistently make some nice little gains for the next however many years, right? So and I just get exactly right. If you can be like for me, right? I can look at home runs. Home runs are hard. Like how many times we see a name like this that explodes 100% and just keeps going, right? It's once in a while, right? So you just have to again. So what can I do better? I can be consistent, right? And make those small gains over and over and over again. If I can do that, that in the long run, a lot more beneficial than home runs. Community. There you go. Let's see here. Some ace. Trying to find some ace tonight. What do you mean trick? La, la, la. Community. Oh la la. Hello Jack. Hello. Water ski around the island. Water ski. Water skiing. Is it time to go all in on cheap cryptos like dogelon Mars, Chris? It's always time to scale in projects you like, right? So right. The other day, so no worries. You want a $200 put melt? Yeah, exactly right, Amber. Like it just again, it is what it is, right? So I'm gonna miss a lot more. Not the first one, it won't be the last one, right? So there you go. Let's see, to front it. Yeah. No, yeah. Well, let's see if we can design something, right? So um, no. 1 second here. The Chris Horn, all definitely not in here. All in? No, never go all in, right? So again, scale in, right? Projects you like, slowly scale in. Please and thank you, right? So, la, la. Stop the French. Blair, what did you say now? What did you say, Blair? Where's the French? Some more French, Blair. Oh, you haven't said anything yet. Uh, uh, Blair is on a might be a translator. I feel the metaverse cryptos would explode once Bitcoin starts to bounce. Oh yeah, right. So we've seen these some of these metaverse names. Like when Bitcoin pushes up a little bit, they've in terms of percentage, right? They've outperformed, right? Outperformed like the rest of the crypto market as well, right? So that's a good thing, right? So again, uh, Bitcoin holds, bounces. You might see some of these metaverse plays do really well, right? So. Um, no, 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 no. Goes down, these caps will go down a lot harder, so scaling yeah, right. So there you go. I was hoping for a nice little pump by Bitcoin, hoping for something, right? Not this, not this stagnant Bitcoin here, right? See if I can put up two charts here. What's that? What do I have up here? That's yeah, that's a mana. Cool. What does Shiba look like here, guys? Not a whole lot. um right? Shiba just bought coding still. Right? It's not doing. Look at that, guys. I think it's just the way this chart is set up, right? But it hasn't done anything in a little bit here, right? So it's just again playing around the same price here. It's the way this chart is set up, but it also hasn't done a whole lot, right? So you take a look at Dogecoin here. Um, Doge is trying. It's holding 14 cents, right? So for people to really care, right, Doge is gonna need to give us that 20 cents again, right? So they're just levels that once you get into them, right, people get excited, right? Um, uh, on the metaverse, can we do some chatting on the metaverse class so I don't make a new mistake? Beth, what do you mean? Buy red, buy red, buy red, buy Oh, buy red, sell green. I was trying to decipher your message here, Stuart. So buy red, sell green, right? So let me take a look at mana here, for example, mana and the sandbox. Like so initially, right? So initially, the reason why like I picked sandbox was because again, so these guys to me were the biggest player in the space, right? And also I looked at their circulation, right? So again, a lot smaller, right? Defined. So I figured again, those are the reason why sand went from 4 cents uh, to $8. In the same time, mana went from 70 cents all the way to $5, right? There had to be a reason for that. So again, circulation, supply huge, right? Looked at some of those deals, right? But then looking into mana as well, you could tell, right? You can tell that when you look at mana, like mana is like is what people look at when they think of the metaverse, right? Not exactly sand, right? Sand, gaming, cool, right? I'm sure they're working on some other stuff as well, right? And they're huge. But when you take a look at mana, it's like your first. It's like that's what you think. That when you envision the metaverse, you think of mana, right? So we can take a look at some of these charts here. You can skate. You can diversify, Beth. Again, like Stuart is saying that you won't be buying the reds, and so that dipped to $1. Like this thing was $1.70. Let me take a look at the daily chart here, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're sitting right around resistance now too, so that's an issue. So we're gonna need Bitcoin to move, but we're sitting around resistance, right? So I'd be a little bit careful here. Again, it's a longer term play, so scaling in would be the way to go, right? So you want to scale in slowly, especially since we've had like a 30% move, right? We've had a nice little pump right off the bottoms here, right? 30%, right? Initially support around this range here, right? Around the dollar, around 238 here, 237, 235, yeah. So we need to break above this level here, guys. You take a look. So you take a look at this Beth, right? You see the last 4 days, it's been fail, 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 fail. So for some reason, we have resistance here. So would I be buying at this level? I feel like I'd be waiting for it to clear this level, right? Or I'd be either like scaling slowly, right? Or wait for some red, right? So wait for it to break above that level, or wait for some red. So Dominique, no thanks, no thanks. Bye bye. um that helps a lot, right? So again, that's this Decentraland, right? That's mana. That helps for a start. I'll just watch the charts. Okay, sounds good. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Dominique, what's going on? What's going on, Dominique? It's Friday. Come on. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Here you go. So lose yourself in an amazing, evolving world, right? So, and that's the website, guys. It's test the limits of your imagination, right? So, uh, uh, nah, why do you think it will be dating apps? It's currently actually native token and actually is about gaming. So there you go. Let's go, Devin. Come on, right? La 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 la. La. So again, that's mana, guys, right? So that's mana. We've seen these guys. That's Beth, guys, flying some dragons. On playing someone big man. I don't know what's going on. I've never seen them before. Look at that, guys. Look at that, right? So, and then if we, this is the sandbox, right? So this is the other one, right? So, with with lost in Decentraland, yeah, let's get lost. And then this is sandbox, guys. So this is more geared towards gaming. They're doing some other stuff as well now. So you've seen pictures of like Snoop Dogg, right? So Snoop Dogg um, is a big advocate for these guys. The dragon wasn't naked. The dragon wasn't naked. I don't know what to tell you, Stuart. Right? So, Maya Phase Two season coming soon. So gaming. This is more like Minecraft, right? So Minecraft, it's cool, right? So that these are their partners, right? You take a look. Snoop Dogg is a partner for Sandbox, right? The Smurfs a partner, right? House Kitchen, right? The Walking Dead, right? Adidas, right? So Richie Houghton, right? Look at that. Is that Mickey Mouse? Is that the Mickey Mouse thing there? Sandbox. Wow. Atari, guys. You guys remember that game, right? Um, so Care Bears, guys. They partner with these guys, right? So it's like it's you because you're what? Beth, that's what you're gonna be doing in the metaverse. Unbelievable. Mickey Disney. There you go. So some of these guys, like it's amazing. Like some of the partners these guys have, right? Not just Sandbox, but like some of these metaverse names, right? That's Okay, sounds good, Nick. Dead Mickey Mouse. Unbelievable. Um, my coin, right? So there you go. Yeah, white sand. La always la cool, right? So Disney's a partner. Kevin, be quiet. Very basic trick. This is basic. Yeah, Ryan. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Just atrocious. They really need to do something about that for real. Exactly. No, Pete, that was my concern, right? So again, when I looked at like just the technicals and everything else, like for Sandbox, I was like, wow, right? So that's cool, right? And that's what I picked first. But then I was looking at these like these the graphics there for Sandbox. You're like, wow, okay. I mean, these guys could do better, but Minecraft is also done well with some weird looking graphics, right? And Mana here, this one, Decentraland, right? They look a lot better, right? So a lot better. So uh, Minecraft was graphics but top selling, exactly, Nick, right? So that's it, right? So Minecraft, right? Minecraft, right? Still selling, right? There you go. For, Kevin, financial advice. What financial advice? Look at that, right? It's cool. There you go. And there are a lot more names, right? You just need to do the research, right? There are a lot more names. There's Axie. There are a lot of names, right? There's Radio Kaka. There's there's that, right? There's Meta Hero, right? There's so many names you could be looking at, right? So there's Gala, right? Gala is another one, right? So Gala is another one that looked into a little bit, but I just wanted to go with the big boys. How you liking Shiba at the moment? It's loading. Gala. So this is the website. So Gala, right? Another gaming, right? So mainstream adult adoption. The graphics will need to improve. Yeah, right. Again, those graphics, yeah, gonna need to, right? So hopefully they do soon, right? So account is probably worth more than most people's crypto portfolios. Wow, you wow, Nick. Wow, wow, interesting. So this is Gala, guys, right? So it's into what? Will it in yeah. Nah. Cool. I mean, you just have to go through all of this stuff honestly and see what you like, right? You can diversify into all of them. You can, pick one that you like, and there's gonna be something that resonates with you, right? And you can pick that, right? So, um, again, this is not like a it's the metaverse is not a thing that you say, okay, well, I mean, you can make you quick profits, right, if you wanted to, but like it's more of okay, like where's the crypto market, like what do we see the crypto market trending towards, right, for long term, right? um it's interesting, like it's really interesting in terms of like in terms of adoption, right? To take a look, so crypto's crypto in general is like it's usually slow for most of these mainstream companies to say, okay, well, we're going to do that, right? So but to take a look at the metaverse and take a look at all these companies like and run towards this, it's exciting, right? So is a long term, yeah. With that as it's yeah, right. So yes, away from proper adoption and usage, we are still very early. Yeah, absolutely. So again, scaling, right? So whether it's $10, whatever you want, right? So, Meta, no, Kevin, Meta, waiting for you to kick it off. Beth is gonna be our, the hot traits, metaverse. Will be in Xbox, Nintendo, PlayStation before you know it. Trick, yeah, absolutely, right. This is on its last leg. Okay, sounds good, Ryan. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. So what's Bitcoin doing here, guys? Bitcoin is okay. No, that's not what I want. I want BTC. Bitcoin. Oh yeah, come on, you can do it. You can do it, BTC, right? So Bitcoin came back down to that support we talked about, right? 375, and had a nice little bounce of that level. So see if we can keep going here, guys, right? So again, support, right? We've done that twice already, right? So again, did that earlier, right? 37.5 bounce, right? Came back down to that same level again, 7 bounce. And yeah, looking better now, right? So let's go, BTC. Come on, give us $38,000, please, and thank you. So we can have a good crypto weekend, guys. Good crypto weekend. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second to smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah, uh, they launched their own product for esports, Nick. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. It's in the NFT. Where's the hot trades link again for the NFT? It's in the in Discord in the NFT channel there, Christy. Also, it's just on the website, right? If you take a look at the website, Christy, there's a tab there for NFTs. Uh, right, so unbelievable. Queen, I know when you say smashed. Let me go back here one, right? So there you go. Yeah, so if you just go over to the website, guys, there's the NFT tab is over there, right? So you can just click on the NFT there, right? And then you get to see yeah, you go. Oh la la. These trades here hot, Kevin, unbelievable, right? So and yeah. Mm. With the microverse article in NFT's Discord. No, I haven't seen that yet. Like I saw the headline there, Chris Stewart, right? Not the metaverse, the microverse, right? So no, I just didn't feel like I saw the headline. I just didn't feel like getting into that tonight. I was like, microverse, what's this now? What's this rubbish now? Honestly, we're still getting used to the metaverse. Now let's talk about the microverse. Can we stay in one spot for like 2 minutes, please? No, just kidding. I saw the headline, but I just didn't read it. No, no. Happy. Just need some fuel. Look at that, guys. Bitcoin, come on, you can do it. BTC, keep going, keep going. Give us $38,000. What is up? I'm headed over to your other job, MSense. Let's go. MSense is always working. I'm always working. MSense. Have a wonderful evening, MSense. Be safe, please, and thank you. Um, Yeah, there you go. So this is the article, right? So Doge sample creator, right, says the metaverse is out, the microverse is in. Yeah, yeah, guys. The metaverse is out, the microverse is in. What is the microverse, guys? I have no idea. Um, Lots of them exist and can transform between different theme worlds. Ah, I see them. You have mana. Call me Alpha. Yeah, that's a tough one for me as well. Version you need that capital. Yeah, I know, right? M sense. Yeah, no, keep going. So according to the founder and CEO of virtual party platform party dot space, niche microverse experiences will be the future of the metaverse, right? Oh, okay. So microverse is still, same thing. Okay, rather than building a big metaverse and selling some land there, right, says that the Web3 creator should focus on their efforts on exploring best way to interact online and with online communities, right? The idea is that each community builds its own microverse, which connects in a shared network to form a metaverse. Honestly, essential, yeah. So, like, it seems like a different fancy name now. But this is something that I've wondered about. Like I've thought about. Okay, cool. Like, how can we just connect all these things, right? So we can, instead of having land here. I mean, you can, right? But how can we connect these things so people can just, just rotate online, right? So instead of like having to, okay, I'm going to be part of like the mana metaverse. I'm going to be part of like this metaverse, right? I'm going to be part of this metaverse, right? How can we connect all these things here together, right? So which is really cool, right? Ryan, let's go. How are you?
Hey, what
Let's
is
go,
good?
Ryan.
What's good,
How are you?
Blaze?
Good. How are you? Good to see
I'm
you.
doing good. I didn't think I was gonna make it there. Technical
Yeah.
difficulties.
Oh, that's okay. Well, welcome.
I
Welcome. You
think
guys.
my computer might be smoking a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. It's your computer's ready for the metaverse. That's why. That's
Yeah, it is. I tried today getting into Decentraland. My
Yeah.
computer is way too slow.
Yeah. Yo, you
I
actually tried
couldn't
to
even
make it.
get past the front page to log in. It was like, eh.
Yeah.
It was like the people were. It was terrible, Blaze. It's time
Yeah.
for a new
Okay.
computer.
Yep. You need to. He started the fire, Kevin. Yep, he did. He did.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bitcoin
What?
moving up. Moving up. I got some energy tonight, Blaze. Some vitamin
Yeah.
C in me.
Oh, let's go. Every time Ryan is here, we have a pump because Ryan likes to pump. So Ryan is here and Bitcoin is
We
pumping.
love it.
Ryan, keep doing your
We
thing.
love it. Mindy was killing me today when she was like, "Yeah, like we're all addicted."
Yeah,
She's dead
we are.
on.
We are. We
It's
are.
a
Right.
community of great addicts. It's a
Yeah.
good
Great addicts.
it's a place
Wow.
we can go. It's like Cheers, like hot
Yeah.
trades where we
Yeah.
all feel the same way.
Yeah. Let's go. Um, we talked about metaverse names. I know you like Gala, right? Like you like
Um,
Gala. Like you just
yeah,
like okay.
yeah. I mean, really, all of them in the metaverse. I
Mhm.
mean, you can probably go. I think Mana's a good one. I think Mana and Axie.
Mhm.
Axie's kind of. I heard that like their technicals and stuff are really good with Axie, so I don't know
Yeah.
what that exactly means, but
Yeah. We could take a look at that. Queen says, "Don't touch me. I can stop at any time. You can stop your addiction at any time, right? You can stop my addiction at any time, right? You know?
yeah, right,
Yep.
right.
Ooh,
I
is that
once.
is
Sorry,
that an
Blaze. Go
NFT on
ahead.
your wall? Like Wendy's asking, is that an NFT, Ryan, on your
Oh,
wall?
me and my daughter took a poster of Van Gogh's Starry Night, and we like cut it up and we put it in a frame, and I don't know. It's good. It just brings good luck.
Yeah. Okay.
So tonight I changed the picture because last time I had another one. Tonight I was
Yeah.
like, I think I'm gonna put that one up because
Yeah.
it's a starry night.
Let's go. Very cool.
Ryan's first
Very
photo
cool.
of the night.
Yeah.
Hey, Christy, how you doing?
Let's go. Christy says Ryan's first pump of the night. Let's go, Ryan. Come on, give us a pump. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go, Blaze. Let's go. Let's go,
He's
Blaze.
ready,
Come on,
Christy.
we got to get this up.
Yeah, let's go. He's ready,
Let's
Christy. Ready for the
we
Bitcoin pump. So
guys, we
crypto.
break 38K here. That's going to be a good thing, and see if we can test and hold it.
Yep.
It'll be a good start.
Let's go. That's
Look
your
at that.
Venko. Yeah.
This is not financial advice, right, Blaze?
Nope.
It's just business.
It's just business.
Business, Blaze. Business.
It is just business, guys.
I love it when you say it.
Yeah, just business.
Yep.
You know? Yeah. It's
It's
just
just
business.
business.
Just business. This is business, guys. Right? It's just business, you know? Um that's funny.
Yeah, well,
But
I just wanted to come on tonight. I don't get to see or talk with anybody as much as I'd like to, as always, but
yeah,
it's been working out great today. I was like, I'm going to get on hot trades. I'm going to see how
yeah.
everybody's doing.
Let's go.
And here we go right now. Bitcoin pumping. Great community, great people. What else would you want on a Friday night?
Right? Just a hangout. Yeah. The same birthday as Van Gogh. You do
Yeah.
that? Very cool. Yeah, very cool. No, Ryan, you need to join Discord. Like you're a member, but yeah, you mostly use Slack. You use Slack. You need to if you join Discord,
Yeah,
you're gonna be a lot
yeah.
more
Like
in
I
there.
said, I need to get a better computer.
Okay. There you go. So
That
yeah,
that would be a good start.
yeah. Ryan, Ryan has been a
But
member
I
for
I listen.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Ryan has been
Today was 9 months. I got that little membership thing.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ryan has been a member for a long, long time. He just likes Slack, the other platform more than Slack more than Discord. So it's just because everybody else spends like their time in Discord. Ryan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. I mean, to be honest, sometimes I don't do that great with the crypto, and I'm like, ugh, I don't want to think about crypto for like a day,
Yeah.
like maybe a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Till I save up some money and not lose it.
Yeah.
That's what happens, Blaze. It's
Yeah.
nothing personal. It's like, why did you buy that top? You know you're not supposed to buy tops. That was a double top, and you bought in. No. And then I walk away for a while because
Oh
I'm just
no.
being honest. I don't always win. I know. I wish I always won, but I don't always win, Blaze. I don't. Anybody else out there? Does anyone else feel my pain, or is it still just me?
I don't know, Ryan. You guys remember this? Ryan buying all the tops, all the crypto tops, guys? All of them. Remember those Dogecoin days, right? You know, we'd be streaming for hours, and then Bitcoin would like Doge would pump, 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 and Ryan would say, "Okay, I just bought it." Like Ryan, you've been on here all day long, and you just bought it. You just pulled one in at the
Oh
top.
yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you guys got me through my back surgery and everything. It was wonderful. It was like,
Yeah.
it's just to me, you'll be on here forever. You're gonna continue. How many people do you have watching now, Blaze?
Uh,
Like as whole members, like
members? What do you mean? What do you mean?
just how big has the channel become? Like how many members do you have now? And
Oh, you mean like subscribers?
yeah,
Okay, I think I don't know. Like, what is it? 50 something, 50,000 something something. So
wow,
yeah, I think you remember when we we were hanging out. It was what? Yeah, so it's a long time ago.
yeah, it was a long time ago.
Yeah, 800,
Good time,
yeah, 1 million, 1 million in
great
7 years.
times.
Yeah,
Some of those late nights with some of the people and the stuff, the creativity of filth would come out, and we would just laugh all night. When those were the Doge days.
yeah. Oh, those were fun. Those were a lot of fun.
You
Alright.
probably got censored a few nights.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it still happens. It is what it is, though. Jackie, good to see you. Hiyo, Jackie, good to see you. How are you? Hi.
Hey, Jacqueline Lee.
Here we go,
Right.
Ryan. Here we go. I'm not gonna say anything because Ryan is about to go on a nice little rant about Jacqueline Lee now. Because Ryan remembers all the stories, and here he goes. I'm not gonna say anything, guys. Not Megs. Hi, Megs Lee. Hi. Um, Nothing to say. Right, Devin? Ryan just blamed buying the tops on Mets. Unbelievable. No, he did not.
What?
No, Devin's comments about
Oh,
when
with
you're
Jacqueline?
no. When you're going through with like your back surgery and stuff,
Right.
right? You just blame buying the tops on your meds.
Oh yeah.
That's what it was.
Yeah. You take a Percocet and you're like, it's going to the moon.
Yeah. This data
Yeah, I'll blame
demonetized.
it on that diamond. Yeah, good
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah. There you go. So that was a nice bounce, guys, right? So again, Bitcoin came back all the way down to support, right? Triple bottom, quadruple bottom, triple, right? Bounce, 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 and here we go, right? So again, expecting a good weekend for crypto. Why? Because right. So see if we can get back about 38, like Ryan said, and then look for 40K as we go into the rest of the weekend. If we can, that's amazing, right? So for now, patience. It's patience. Again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Hit that
Right.
subscribe if you're new. Yeah. And if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us. All right. So
Yeah, do you remember how funny .08 was for a while?
for Dogecoin, like
Blair says no, Blair says you remember back when we sold at .08. Remember that kid that came on here and sold at .08 and everyone just
yeah.
roasted him? And then like people felt bad he got roasted so bad. They were like, I feel bad for this kid. And they came to his defense, this little imposter. And people felt bad for him, but they were saying some mean stuff like, I wish you were never born and Lord knows what else. You remember that? That was hilarious.
Yeah, I remember. Made the grades. Made the grades. It's
Yes.
good, guys.
Yes.
Um,
Mindy bought the book.
oh
Mindy
yeah, the
bought the
book.
book.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh shoot.
Dogecoin. No,
Shoot.
it's funny. Like
That's
it's
so
becoming a
funny.
thing now too, Ryan, because Doge is slowly headed towards 8 cents. We had fun with this because it was pushing for 40, 50, 60, but now it's slowly going. Imposter Christie.
Right.
Um, you also threw
Don't
the
make
book.
fun of Nathan.
Yeah.
He has 5 subs now. The entire family joined. Subscribers, yeah. That was
So Max, how
that
do you
was
become a member? So how do you join Discord? You have to become a member. So Beth just shared a link there for you. So look up a few comments, right? The comment by Nightbot. So you have to become a member, and then you get the link to join us in Discord. So that he's with 8 cents. Come on, yeah. No, those were that was funny. Some fun streams, Ryan. Now you
yeah.
remember, you of course you remember Dr. Dave. You remember.
Yes. Yes, Dr. Dave. Yeah.
Ryan says yes.
Oh man, all these characters that we've built along the way that
Yeah,
plays,
yeah.
like
It's
you
been
just
a
remember them, and
right.
it's like,
It's been a yeah,
wow.
yeah.
People
Scott,
were like saying, like, this guy's a doctor? What?
here you go.
What's wrong with
So
him?
um, yeah, we've some quite amazing people we've met along the way, right? So
Does anyone remember that sniper lady scalping Doge on her bed?
yep, remember that.
I
What's
remember
it?
that one.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. Unbelievable virus,
Oh.
unbelievable. Take over the chats. Let
Yeah, Dr. Dave. He was prescribing himself some meds, I think.
to leave the music. Yeah. Naked Beth. Beth. I wasn't gonna say anything. I wasn't gonna say anything, Beth. Don't know what to tell you. It was yep, highly questionable. Highly questionable. Let me see here.
Blaze, you got a new member, Blaze.
Let's go. Are you ready for pump? Are you ready to pump?
I'm
Let's
ready if you're
go.
ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. Come on, Max. Welcome to
There you
Discord.
go.
Thank you for
Max,
becoming a member.
welcome.
Welcome. Right. So now that you're a member, Max, all you have to do is go over to YouTube, right? So YouTube's, right? YouTube's search up. I mean, your hot rates, hot rates, right? So click on hot rates at the very top there, right? You want to click on the logo or the name. So click on the logo and then go to the community tab, right? So once you click on the name or the logo, go over to the community tab, right there, community tab, right? There's a link right here. There's a link to join us in Discord, right? So click on that link. It's going to take you over to the Rose channel, right? And then there's some information there for you to follow, right? So again, Rose channel, you have to read that information, click the cookie at the bottom, right? And then there's a few more steps below that you have to follow. If you have any questions at all, right, you can come back and ask you on stream, or send me an email at the top of your screen there. So Mex, thank you very much and welcome. Brian, keep pumping it. 3775. Slowly. Slowly we go.
Thank you, Mags.
Let's go. The trolley master. Oh, the trolley master. You remember Bernard? Remember Bernard? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not, Ryan. Maybe not. No, yeah, Bernard was here.
I do remember Bernard.
You do? Okay, yeah, there you go. Bernard, yeah,
Was
Bernard
that
was.
was Bernard the Whoa?
Yeah, Bernard is whoa.
Whoa.
Bernard is whoa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I
Okay.
remember. Yes, I do remember
Yeah,
that.
Bernard is whoa.
He was just like, he was like, whoa.
Yeah. Um.
Blaze, it's good to see you.
Yeah. No, it's good to see you too, Ryan. It's good to see you. Yeah. Queen, Nut, how funny is that? Ryan is like, is
I'm
Bernard
glad
whoa?
you're. Yeah,
Right.
I remember that. Cool guy.
Yeah.
He was a cool guy.
Um.
Remember that one 10-year-old drinking wine in silence? Because I do.
Oh, on the Shiva stream, Mindy. Yeah.
Mindy.
Yeah, yeah. I bet we don't see Dogecoin below 60 cents anymore. Like there's so much confidence, Queen. And I don't know what to tell you. He was coming on this weekend. Andrew, I have no
Blaze,
idea.
is that the 1 minute chart?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You want to take a look at something else or no?
No.
Okay, there you go. So
It's fine. I just wanted to make sure it was the 1 minute chart.
yeah, okay. Um,
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Crypto
What
bubbles.
is this?
These are just crypto bubbles, right? So you can go through them and take a look. So for example, these are just the top 100 cryptos, right? And then you can take a look at the performance here, right? So uh, you can, again, so this is the top 100 guys, right? You can take a look and see what everything else is doing, right? So for example, top gainer here on the top 100 list in the last 15 minutes is what again, somewhere on this list, right? And then you can just go through, guys. You can take a look at the top
88.
200 cryptos, right? Top 200, right? What's that? Deso struggling, right? So Raka, right? Metaverse play, if I'm not mistaken, maybe not. So top 300, right? So you can just go through this list, and you can use this to find some plays for yourself, right? So yeah, again, top 500
That's
cryptos,
pretty
right?
cool, Blaze.
Right. So yeah, it's really cool. I think Mindy was watching the stream and she found this stuff, so that's really cool. So top 600, right? You can just go through this list honestly, and look at that, guys. Look at this
Yeah, that
coin.
shit. Holy cow.
Look at that. What's this? That's Queen.
Taboo?
Taboo, guys. Taboo obviously is not doing good, right? Taboo is not doing good.
In the gutter.
uh, Taboo.
Taboo.
Top
They were screaming the whole way
700.
down.
Yeah. I like looking at this list sometimes because some of the names are just interesting. So top 800s. Shroom. Look at that guy. Shroom. Shroom. That's Shroom. Look at this, guys. I bet you there's a smart name behind that. Criminals. Uh, and sub 900s, right? Uh, what else? What's this? What's on here? What's this? PPT. Cool. Sub 1,000. Oh no! Oh no, guys. What are we on? Okay.
My
So
computer
look at
keeps
that.
glitching out.
Okay. Look at this. You guys see some of these names on that horn?
What
We
does
have.
that say, Blaze?
I don't know what it says, Ryan.
What
I'm
is
not gonna.
that?
I don't know
Minus
what it says.
2.4. What is that?
I don't know what
I
it
can't
says.
read it. I can't.
I can't
I
read
need
it.
my glasses.
I can't read it either. I don't have glasses either. I don't have glasses either. It's not my. You guys can read it for yourself in the comments. That's the name of the coin. Ryan can see it. I can't see it. Maybe some of you guys could help out here. Um,
Where's Amber when you need her?
I was in the chats. Amber, unbelievable. Amber, how funny is it that Ryan knows that you are it's,
I know how Amber is. It's hilarious.
that's better than one
Oh,
inch, Andrew.
shoot. Crystal Smooth Colonel is Mindy.
Uh,
Try to
this is
read some of these comments.
yep. You think we're muted? Yeah. Are we good, guys? I think we should be good. Right? Should be good. Anyways, some of these names are really interesting. So yeah. There you go, guys. Bitcoin slowly retracing now as well. Right? Not really doing a whole lot.
Kumis?
I don't know what it says. I just know what it says.
Kumis, I think. I think it's like
Okay.
Kumis.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Kumis, Blaze.
Okay. Really? No way, Stuart. Stuart, my friend's sister created that. True story. Is that's actually true? She created this. Well, can we? Can you invite her
No, what?
on Hot Trades, please, Stuart?
Yeah.
We wanna have her on,
Yes.
right? No, it's
My friend's sister created Kumis. True
let's go.
story.
Come on. Let's see who created this, guys. We want to have the developer come on and talk about kumis. Is what we want to, like Ryan calls it, right? So, I can ask for sure. Let's go, Stuart. Come on. We want to see top 1,000 list. So let's
Red's not good though, right, Blaze? So
uh,
so that's red. That's like going down as a candle. It would
yeah,
be like
exactly.
the bigger it gets red like that.
Yeah, exactly. So
All right,
this
I
like
get
this
it.
is what basically like instead of like going through the charts and tracking everything individually, you just have a bubbles, right? And they just give you like the entire list of
Yeah.
all the top 100, right? Um, yeah,
Hmm. I might have to check that out. I like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
It can't
Uh,
hurt my luck. I'll tell you that
right is yeah. Still developer is 1 inch. She's based in England. Sister lives up your way. Okay, sounds good. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna be. She's gonna hear us call it kumis, and she's gonna be like, yeah, that's not what it's meant for. Please and thank you. Can you not call it
Oh,
that?
maybe, maybe.
Yep, that's cool. I mean, we could. Yeah, I don't know. What is that thing worth, anyways? 0.0078. Look at this, guys. It's up. It's year to date, right? So year to date, this thing's up what? So 336%, right? Year to date. Well, in the last year, right? It's down 42% in the last month, and but overall though, that's a nice little return, right? 336%. I mean, not bad, right? So 50 and wow, really? There you go, right? Stuart said he had friends invested in this who invested 50, right? And was up as much as $35,000 at the peak. $50 in kumis. 30,
Kumis. Oh my
yeah,
goodness. Who would
$50
have
became
thought?
$35,000. Look at that, guys. Friends. Do we have any friends that are planning on making cryptos, guys? Just $50. Initial
50
pump.
bucks. Yeah. We should
Wow.
have known to buy that. Of course, that was
Yeah,
going to blow up. Put it
Why
on
was she?
phone.
Look at again, guys. You take a look at this. What do you see here, guys? You see a double top, right? Double top, top. Double tops are vicious, right? Double tops can be like the end of your crypto, the stock, right? Once, twice. If you fail again, bye bye, right? So double tops work for everything, like honestly. So, especially if it's not a long term project, right? So I don't know what this
Mm,
is. I have no idea.
yeah,
You're
they
in,
do.
yeah. So, too bad Dogecoin didn't have a double top. It's just a single push to 75 Elon. SNL. Bye bye. I have I have friends who invested 50 in Pikachu. Unbelievable. And what happened? The, that's cool, Stuart. That's cool. Yeah, Kumis. Legit. They never took out the money.
Bitcoin kind of needs to hold right here.
Yeah. Come on, BTC. Now we just need a word, Andrew, right? So they never took out the money and went down to $6,000. I mean, they thought they were going to become millionaires. Right? In Kumis was about to become. How funny is that, guys? Become millionaires. Yep. You know what just showed up and a
Uh,
massive big bubble, guys? Look at that, right? So something just QQQ. I'm not sure what that means, but that thing just showed up, right? So again, it's updating every, every
QQQ.
so QQQ, QQQ,
King
King,
Sheeb
King Sheep.
up a little bit.
Yep,
King Sheeb.
King Sheep. Cool.
Yeah, what happened to Sheeb? Where's
Um,
Sheeb? What's it doing? It's not doing anything, is it?
no, it's she was consolidating just like everything else, though, right? I mean, the entire crypto market sold off, Doge, everything, right? So Sheep is done the same, right?
Right.
It's sitting at what, like just above 20 there. So again, we're gonna need some projects, or just for the crypto market to pump and Sheep be back above 30, and that excitement will be back, right? So yeah, patience. Coin,
Mm-hmm.
Coinlingus, triple Q.
Yeah, it
People
was a
that,
wicked drop.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's oh yeah, the people that bought into that for $50, I just thought it was going to the moon. Yeah, like why not take? They didn't take out anything at all, Stuart. Wow, interesting. They're just like, okay, my $50 is now $35,000, and wow, that's amazing. And the thing again, so as regulations become a thing, right? That's what the market is gonna. That's what bet you that's regulations. Of course, we're still gonna have them move, right? But regulations are gonna get rid of a lot of that stuff. Like we won't have as much as all of these like massive bumpers won't be there anymore, right? So Shiba's been getting by a lot of whales. Yeah, exactly right. So Shiba just got bought. So someone just bought 80 like 88 million.
I'm gonna have
Something.
to refresh this.
Okay. Yeah, so it's a huge number, right? So there are a lot of people buying into Shiba, right? Again, if Bitcoin bounces, Shiba's gonna go, right? So that thing just needs to get back about 30 there, and then the excitement is back, right? So yeah. So Ryan, that computer, guys, he needs a metaverse computer to take it out, but they didn't listen. Stuart, yeah, always, right? So again, with a name like that, what do you think you're going to? They did when it went down to $6,000, but it was going to 100K. Wow, that would have been a nice car for them. From $50 to that. I mean, at least they made some nice profits, though, right? So I used my torch divvy to buy Shiba. You did? No, your torch divvy. Yeah. So again, Shiba is sold up just like everything else, right? So it's gonna, as the crypto market recovers, a lot of these smaller altcoins are gonna pump again. Shiba is gonna pump again, right? So Shiba is a good community, right? So eventually that thing will move, right? So man, times like this, you use the opportunity to buy the dips, right? So in everything else, smash. Let's go, guys! Come on, if you haven't smashed it,
Hey,
like, oh yeah, Ryan is back and Bitcoin is pumping again. So
I don't know what happened.
yeah.
I don't know what happened. It all started being like,
Oh, the computer.
so I reset it,
Yep.
and here I am.
Yeah.
And Bitcoin is starting to pump a little bit there
Let's
in the place.
go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. So there you go.
I would
There you go,
love
guys. Okay.
nothing more to see 40,000 a night.
Exactly right. Exactly. Yeah. Okay, guys, again, we've talked about a lot of things, right? So if you have any questions, make sure you ask. And we talked about the metaverse, right? The metaverse and mana and sun and whatnot, right? So, and all the other things. Looked at a few metaverse sites here, right? So if you have any questions, make sure you're asking, right? There you go. Oh, hello. Let's get come on. All right, let's go. Bliss is alone. Let's go. Hot trades, come on,
Let's
Bliss.
go.
Go, Bliss.
Hot trades. Let's go.
Um, you want? Oh, you wanted it? You actually wanted it? Oh, wow. I bet you there's some type of utility to this, though, right? So I bet you there's an intention to this. I'm not sure what it is, right? Uh, yeah. Must be sharing Wi-Fi. Yeah, Ryan came on and stole my Wi-Fi, and then that's why he's losing connection.
Hey, Blaze, can you make this into an NFT?
I mean, you can.
How do you make NFTs? How'd you guys figure all that out?
You have to design it. You have to design it and then
Oh
mint
my
it.
goodness. Was it an easy process?
Not really. Not really.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you can like
Yeah, that's
people just you can use like you can do it like you can make it easier if you just they're easier NFTs, right? Where you just take a picture like a JPEG or something, you just mint it, right? Um,
right.
you can make it easy, right? Just to have it like, but I don't know what. Yeah, so
Just curious. I don't
yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah,
That might be a little much
yeah.
for me to
No,
figure out alone.
yeah. La, la. Yeah, some people just take pictures, guys, like JPEGs, NFT, right? So it can be as simple as you want, it can be as complicated as you want, right? So, remember you guys remember the McDonald's when crypto was crashing, right? When crypto was crashing, you guys remember the McDonald's application that talked about, oh, we're about to go get jobs at McDonald's, right? That was an NFT, guys, right? Someone took a screenshot of that, right, and sold it as an NFT, right? So, yeah, so you could do that if you wanted to. So just a screenshot, mint it, and you're good to go, right? So,
Yeah,
uh,
those are awesome.
yeah, watching. Yeah. So there you go. La, la, la. You're new to the channel, virtual. Welcome. What's your position in Elon? Like, what's your position? Are you looking for an entry? Anything looking for
Dogelon
exit?
Mars.
What are you looking for? And then we can give us some specifics, and we can take a look at your question, right? So those are yeah, right. Those are actually pretty cool, right? So you can make it as like these were not exactly easy, right? Like these were
Right?
like this is not exactly easy, right? So this was like okay, designed and like sculpted and like like that was a little bit more complicated, and then
Wow.
and all that stuff. But you can make it as easy as you want by taking just a screenshot and doing that. So oh, you know what's pumping? You guys want to guess what's pumping, Ryan? Your wildest guess. What's pumping?
Sheep.
Shiba's pumping
I don't know.
in the
What?
last 15 minutes? No, it's not. It's
Did we
Kumi.
pump Kumis? Did we pump Kumis, Blaze? We pumped Kumis. Everybody, oh my goodness. People are like, you know what? I think it is Kumis. It's not. They bought. Oh, whoop, there it went. They came back. All right, what? Did we pump it? Maybe. Okay, maybe not. But ironic.
Unbelievable. Ryan is all excited, guys. He's all excited for this now. Oh no, Kumis. Stuart. Oh, Kumis.
Oh, Kumis. Who doesn't want Kumis?
Unbelievable. Oh, it's
Uh-oh.
gone. Kumis
Whoa.
just disappeared. Kumis
Kumis is a shrinking. It was here and now it's done.
mean, it's not 6.5%, and now
Oh
it's only up
no!
8% now, guys.
Is that inches or percent? Oh well, guys, careful when buying that one. Be careful.
It says, okay, let me get you. Let me get you.
Where's the U ride? She busted me, Holmes. Where's the U? Tell me he's busted.
1 second, guys. I just want to quickly get a link here for invites. For Max. Okay, Max. I see. Yeah, I see what's wrong, Max. 1 second. Let me fix that.
She shorted it, says Christo.
There's a. Oh yeah, there is virtual. There's a name for
Man,
this.
I wish I had a symbol so I could rim shot all these like.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, that's too funny. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Come on, Bitcoin.
Come on, Bitcoin. There you go. Try it again, Max. It should be working now. The link should be good to go now. Try it again. Try the link again. There you go. Let me pull up another.
Oh, virtual citizen.
Here you go. Kumis, kumis. So I know you wanted to look at Elon there for the virtual. So let's do that. So Elon.
Noah the glass blower. That's funny. I like that one.
Don't think that's the right charts. Don't think so. Something's not right there.
What time is it?
It is. It is
Like it's 11 o'clock in Indiana. What time is it in Canada?
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I'm just looking for the one that I've charted here, virtual. So let's see here. Can't quite find it anymore for some reason. So I think it might be this one. No, it's not. But
Somebody
again,
said Kumi's was a stripper tipping app.
yeah, that's what the MSN said.
You know it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
So MSN is saying here.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So did you just like tap it on the stripper and then it pays, or what? How does that work?
I have no idea. I have no idea. Ask Stuart. Stuart's sister's friend made it.
Thank you. Tap,
Yeah.
like app, tap the app. Tap
Okay, there
the
you go.
app.
So Kumis is an
Tap the
OnlyFans decentralized. Okay, there you go. So just tap it. There you go. Oh yeah, so OnlyFans. Is,
Tap it.
there you go. So if you guys wanna, you make Kumis,
Yes.
OnlyFans. That's you pay for, like OnlyFans with cash. Okay, you have no idea. I have no idea, Blair. I have no idea. It was a very
Yeah,
white.
I mean, there's a little fob in their panties, and you tap it with your phone, and it, or whatever they dance with. I don't know.
Where do you swipe it? Oh no. Could not find it. Figured okay. Anyways, so again, that's Elon,
So
right?
we're going.
Yeah, that's Elon. Elon has a ways to go here. Right, in terms of like technicals only, it's, if you take a look at the Elon chart, it seems very similar to Shiba and Doge and Bitcoin, right? So this thing depends on Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin goes, okay, Elon, right? So this 14 level here is going to be your next level to watch. We talked about this earlier, that this was the breakout level, right? Never quite got there, right? Just sold off with the rest of the market. So again, seems like you're holding in long term anyways, virtual, right? So these are your next two levels to watch. This thing breaks above this level here. Okay, it's party time, right? It's time to do some kumis. So again, 22 there is your level to watch, right? So it'd be nice to keep holding, right? So Bitcoin pumps here, this thing is gonna move nicely as well, right? So there you go.
For that. Oh, I'm sorry, Amber. I will not say that word.
Yep.
Yelling at me, Blaze.
Huh? What? Oh.
Amber.
Let's see here.
Oh, come on, 38. Come on, 38, Blaze.
38. Oh yeah, 38,000 for Bitcoin. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You're welcome, virtual. Just want to profit. Unbelievable. M sense. Unbelievable. Uh, unbelievable. Anyways, so again, taking a look at this, right? So again, this is just interesting. It's always really interesting to look at, right? Just to see crypto transactions, right? So, for example, you take a look at the last minute, right? Something like 2 million, right? Right, USDT traded, right? So buy, right? So, and you take a look at this list here. These are the top ones that are getting the volume, right? So Ethereum is getting a lot of volume. Bitcoin always getting a lot of volume, right? Cosmos, right? Solana, ADA, right? So these are the top volume names here, right? So, and you can see those transactions flowing in there, right? So on the right hand side, which is really interesting, right? So this is cool to look at, right? And it might not necessarily give us anything concrete, but it's always see where the volume is going, see where the crypto money is going to, right? So, right, Ruggets, what did you? What did you? Let's go, Ian. Come on, as a it's a safe word, safe word. Uh,
Come on.
take a.
What look, Krista?
I have no
Oh,
idea.
I,
It's my water. In June, Andrew? In June? Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Let's see where we are in, yeah, so 20 more minutes, guys. Yeah. And then, yeah. So again, let us know if you have any questions and anything else we can cover in terms of articles. Right, would be yeah. So let us know. We'd take anything unbelievable, Stuart. Are you in Discord? Or so? Am I defined? What do you mean, Crystal? Sounds arrogant is not. You can blame Ryan for that. You can blame Ryan. Yeah. And not the safe word. Yeah. No, I haven't, Ranger. I have not. If you change your profile picture, nice. It sounds better, Andrew. Yeah. Elon tweet. Yeah. There you go. So Ryan, you back to work. Right, like you're back to work completely. Like
yeah.
completely. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. How's
My computer's all chopping up. Like
okay.
I'm delayed.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell.
Delayed.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. It's just a few seconds. No, the streaming stuff, like the streaming stuff takes a lot, like out of your computer. So the streaming stuff does.
Yeah.
Um, let me see here. Not one taking. The buy and sell signals on the chart we looked at. Oh, that's what you're asking for, Chris. So you're asking what like those green buy or sell. So it's difficult to look at on a smaller time frame, right? So when you look at this chart here, right, it's hard. It's a 1 minute time frame, especially on crypto, right? Super volatile for the most part. Um, it's yeah. So you want to look at the longer time frames here. To 69,000 iron to $69,000. Why do you say that, Iron? I want to know. I want to know
Wow.
what you found. XRP to $69,000. What have you found, Iron? Let me know. Give us that information because that'd be fire. That'd be cool, right? So What have you found, Iron? That you're saying XRP to $69,000? Oh, never mind. I see it now. Unbelievable. You know what, Iron? You know what? You know what? Yeah, you know what. So just use that Bitcoin there, the whole Elon tweet, right? So I wasn't sure why you said 69, but then I just had to read the next two numbers, the next three numbers. Whatever you're smoking, five. Whatever you're smoking, just pass it this way. Um, Unbelievable. I was all like, I wanted to know why there was a number like that. Um, he just used the numbers from the Elon tweet. Yeah, an AMC to 0000. Um, unbelievable. Oh, for pass. Unbelievable. Yep, that's funny. No, no, no. Never mind, right? Oh, exactly right. I think we were all excited, Christy, right? And then as soon as we found out what was actually going on there, it's like, oh, never mind. It's a Elon tweet. Here we go. Come on, you can do it. Give us this. Come on, Bitcoin, go, go, go. Oh, look at that. Come on, little spikes. Right, 37.8. Cool. It's only 200 more dollars, guys. That's it. Come on, Bitcoin. Keep going. What's the rest of the list looking like here, guys? Again, Matic going for a nice little run there as well, right? Doge, slightly green. Shiba, slightly as well, right? Oh wow. A lot of these metaverse names are the ones. So for example, like San is really benefiting from that little pump there. So it's always interesting to see, right? Uh, I just wanted to sleep a little bit tonight, and you just wanted to sleep a little bit. Yeah, don't invest in crypto if you want to sleep at all. Um, no, 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 never mind. It was from earlier, right? Crystal. Yeah, old news, guys, old news. Let me take a look at this again here. Make sure we're good to go on this front. Interesting. Here you go. Oh yeah, no, Bitcoin is looking a lot better. Ultra Shade, right? So yeah, some of these metaverse names are really benefiting from that little pump there for some reason. So again, when the leader's fine, right, what really performs well is yeah. So yeah, right. Not sure what's yeah, your your computers are struggling. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. There's no sleeping in crypto, Queen. No, there's not. Sleep is for the weak.
It's struggling.
Yep. Sleep is for the weak. Oh yeah, Ryan is a little bit delayed.
All
If
right.
you, yeah, that's okay.
I'm a
That's
little
okay.
delayed. If it doesn't fix itself in like a few seconds, I'm gonna just jump into the chat room.
That's okay. We only have like 13 minutes left, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Come on, Ryan. We're pumping. Take us to 38,000, please and thank you. Before we end, they're not make connected. Oh no,
Yeah,
it's
let's
not.
go 38,000.
38,000. So the metaverse is a scary concept. It will definitely not make us more connected, but it's still, but you're still invested in it, right? So it's not, right? Is this something that I want to see? The metaverse? Nah. Like I like camping, guys. I like doing stuff. Not sitting on the computer, right? Um, in a game, right? With like in there somewhere in a different, like if I'm gonna spend time, if I want to spend time, right? If I want to spend time in doing stuff like that, that's in the metaverse. I want to do it outside, not in there, right? It's not gonna make us more connected, but it is what it is. Camping in cart, you know what, right? You know what, Stewards? You know it's yeah, 3 hours, no. Sally Davis, is there any news? News for what? News for what? It's almost 38,000,
Hey, I
guys.
think I fixed it, Blaze.
You did? Yeah, it seems like it's better now.
I don't know. It said I had two StreamYards running at the same time there somehow.
Oh, okay, might need to. I don't see it, so I might need to close out.
I don't know.
Yeah. You did. You just want to cool and look at that guy, saitama. You did, Nick. Wow, that's cool. That's fire. It's honestly actually pretty fire, Nick. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to see it. We're gonna need to see it, Nick. That's cool, right? So Saitama has been one of the like the top gainers in the last bit, right? So it's done really well. You take a look at the daily, right? It's on there. It's up 34%, guys, right, in the last 24 hours. So it's done really well. It's like the top gainer, right, on the top 100. So yeah, congrats, Nick. Oh yeah, come on, $150. You can do it, Ryan. Keep pumping, keep pumping. It's just the future of gaming, not to live. Now you can play games, social media, and yeah, Shane, absolutely, right? Absolutely. You can do fashion shows, you can go to events, right? You can play your game, right, in the metaverse, and then do other things, right? So,
There, look at it go, Blaze.
oh yeah, let's go.
I'm finally back on. I don't think I'm delayed anymore. I was
Yeah.
going crazy. Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
I fixed it. I'm a
Let's
computer
go.
wizard.
Look at that,
Let's
guys.
go.
Welcome to the metaverse.
Let's go. Come on, everybody. Ryan. Slack. OG.
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 Let's go, Chris. Depends on lots of factors. Yeah. So depends. Yeah. Again.
You can't watch porn while on hot trades. I know, Crystal.
Unbelievable. Hello.
Oh, shoot.
Oh man. I bet you like what we talked about here tonight, the stream is demonetized. Most likely, 100%.
Why?
What?
Why?
I don't know. Usually, I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know.
About
Uh, what do you want to say, Ryan?
let's go. No,
Get
I'm not
out.
gonna say it.
Okay.
Not gonna say it. I saw myself and I'm like, well, Blaze may never have me back on the show, so
No,
I
why?
better just
No,
leave the
why?
word "coup" means alone.
Oh,
I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm here to hit 38,000 tonight with you, Blaze.
yeah.
Let's hit it.
Come on.
38,000 tonight,
Oh,
maybe
Ryan, come
more.
on.
We're on the
$120.
road.
120. Come on, give us $125. You can do this. That's it. That's all. Look at that, guys. Here we go.
I
Come
think so.
on. $100, guys. Come on, BTC.
Come on.
48K. Hold above it. Let's have a good weekend. Wake up tomorrow about 39,000, about 40K for Bitcoin. Fire.
Oh,
Absolute
it'd be great, Blaze.
fire. There you go.
Oh, mercy. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin.
There you go, guys. And so yeah, Mana, Dogecoin. Again, most of these names are
Oh,
still
my
holding around the same
computer's
level,
so
guys.
terrible.
Matic, right? So Matic looks good there. Matic is above $1.70, so that's good. See if that thing can clear $2. HT there looks fine as well. Jasmine, the DOG, that looks okay. What's this indicator here? Because it's lacking, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Fine. We need a will to push it over. No, that's somebody else. That's Noir. In a
Noir.
yeah.
Is he a whale?
Yep. Oh, I'm just not. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
No.
About needing a whale to pump Bitcoin up.
I would love to be a whale. What kind of life would I have if I were a whale? Any kind I wanted. That would be amazing. They'd be like, work. We don't work here. We have fun.
When you say whale,
I
all right. What's your definition? Like, what do you mean whale? I was about to hit like,
I mean like inherited wealth.
okay.
Why? What do you think of me?
No. I'm just asking. I just wanted to see like what your definition would be and like what type of life you're thinking of. Um, I just wanted to know because people have different definitions of whales, right? So it might be like a millionaire or this or a
Oh,
thousand.
I'm talking about like probably the Illuminati guys.
Okay.
I mean, you know,
Yeah.
that's where the real money's at. Any conspiracy theorists out there?
There you go. Just get into the metaverse, Ryan. Get a better computer. Get into the metaverse. You can live whatever life you want. You can go do. You can go do cruise. You can go to. You can go to the. Go to the fashion show. Whatever you want in the metaverse. Uh, Ryan says whatever I want. I'm working.
Oh man,
That's funny.
work. We don't work.
You don't work when you're.
We
No.
laugh.
Unbelievable.
No, yeah, I don't know. I guess yeah. My definition would definitely like just that inherited $1 trillion of wealth where you can move the market. My money we put it. I mean, most people's money doesn't move the market. You're really just on for the ride
You,
of
you
the
guys,
wealth.
you guys know that Ryan is slowly pumping. Like, every time Ryan hops off, Ryan is like, "Oh, my camera isn't working. I'm delayed," and then Ryan leaves, and then Bitcoin starts pumping. Is that a coincidence? Talking about whales and pushing Bitcoin to $38,000. Is that a coincidence? I think not. Look at that. Ryan is not even like, you know what? A billionaire would be a whale, a millionaire would be a whale. Ryan is like trillions. So Ryan has got past all the other levels, and he's looking for trillions now. Unbelievable. Can you guys believe that? Unbelievable. No. Okay.
I'm just being honest. Ryan sitting BTC to 38. Iron Lion. That's right. Let's go. Let's go. 38 would be great for everybody. Because I think, man, if we can get above 38 and hold it, like Blaze said, it would be a fun. It could be a fun weekend.
There you go.
We deserve that. We deserve nothing less.
Nothing less. Nothing less, guys. Nothing less.
Nothing less than we deserve, Blaze.
Mhm.
Nothing less than we deserve. All of us, this whole community,
Yep.
we all deserve a little money in the
Yep.
pockets.
Absolutely, I agree. I agree. If you can buy a giraffe, if you can buy a giraffe, Pete, yeah, you probably will. Yeah, probably. We deserve it. Yeah, we do, Christy. Right? Deserve.
Yes, Christy, I agree.
No. There you go.
Let me check mine right now. I got into Wrapped Luna earlier today.
You got into what?
A coin called Wrapped Luna.
Okay. Ryan is right
It's
now.
doing all
Ryan.
right.
Okay. Look at this, guys. Rab Luna. No, not just the regular Luna. Ryan is upgraded into the Rab Luna. A little bit of sauce, spiciness to the Luna is what he's in. Be safe.
Yep,
See you
yep.
on Monday then. See you on Monday. See you on Monday.
What
Right,
do you
yes.
consider an investor? We do. Be safe.
On great long term investment, yeah. Wrapped Luna. Wrapped Polygon. On
Wrapped Luna on Coinable. Great long-term investment. That's what I think too. That's what I think too.
yeah.
Uh, it's
Coinbase?
done. It's performed well in the past, and I think it'll get back up to its all-time highs again. I really do.
Okay.
I've been. It's just one that I've kind of kept an eye on.
Hmm.
Like, I'm not really sure what the difference between a wrapped Luna and a regular Luna is, but on Coinbase, I can't buy regular Luna,
Hmm.
so I buy wrapped Luna.
Okay. Okay.
Not really because I'm smart, but by choice.
Because this is the only choice. It's the
It's the only choice. I'm like,
only
well,
choice.
what's wrapped? And I watched the prices, and they're like very similar. So
Mhm.
I'm not sure what the wrapped part is.
Okay.
You know?
So for example, when you go to use so Polygon, right? So for example, when you go to use on what is it called again? So on OpenSea, right? So you can
Mm-hmm.
so when you go to buy something, like for example, when you go to buy Polygon, when you're buying an NFT, right, and you want to use, for example, you want to use like Polygon, right? So you can
Right.
actually use Polygon right? So you have to use like again so wrap Ethereum almost like it's like the exchange version of using. I mean, we can talk about this later. We can find a way to explain it. That makes a lot of sense. But yeah, so just yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, for the big boys in layer one world. Okay, there you go. Let's go.
Ah, the big boys in layer one world.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely. So, can people make money in Decentraland?
Yeah. Yeah, there's like play to earn, right? So you can play some of those games, right? So you can earn money playing some of those games. I think that's something they're really working on. Play to earn.
Wow.
Yeah. So, and yeah.
Hey, 37.9.
Oh,
Come on, Bitcoin.
come on,
Oh,
come on,
oh,
come on,
oh,
Ryan.
come on.
Give us $38,000 before we go
Giddy
here.
up.
Let's see.
Ah,
You can do it.
it's gonna happen. It's happening. Luna is also deflationary and has a similar burning token mechanism to Ethereum. She busted me, Holmes. Knows.
Yeah. One second. There you go.
I also made some good money today on Polyswarm
Okay.
earlier today.
Ryan is just in there, guys. Look at
It
that,
was a good
Ryan.
day. Like it was a good day. It was a good day to scalp. I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah. Look at that. Ryan is just in everything now, guys. Trillionaire is what he's looking for. No longer millionaire. Looking for trillions. Trillions. Trillions and trillions. Luna's your boy. Yeah. Okay. So let us know if you have any. Yeah, I don't know if you want to wait for this whole $38,000 level. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions, guys. Scuffing at the top, buying at the bottom, right? Scuffing at the top, at the bottom, at the top, buying at the bottom, right? Ryan is upgraded, guys. No longer the same. Ryan is
I'm getting better.
Ryan is
Hot
doing big
Trades has
things.
made me a better trader. There's no doubt
Let's
about it.
go. Let's go. Big things now, Christy. Oh,
It
we
saved
might
me
need.
money today. It hit a double top. There was a
Yeah,
double top, and I was like, Neil, I just remember Neil going, it's going to flush. It'll flush. It'll
yeah,
flush. And what did it
yeah,
do? It flushed. So today I was like, I'm out. Guess
yeah,
what?
yeah,
Flushed. I was
yeah.
like, oh my God. I called it.
Ryan is a changed man, Stuart says. The changed man. That's
It's more fun this way. I know that. Oh my goodness.
there you go. Let's go, Hugh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful weekend as well.
Bye, Hugh. It really wants to get to 38, Blaze.
Yeah, it does. Slowly creeping there. So, uh, it's slowly getting there, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and yeah. So, welcome to the monies, Stuart. Welcome to the monies. There you go. There you go. So we're gonna call it a night though, if that's okay. Bitcoin is gonna hopefully slowly creeping up the rest of the weekend, guys. Hopefully, right? Hopefully we can come to Sunday and say, okay, $40,000, right? That would be amazing, right? So have a wonderful weekend, all. Ryan, thank you very much for coming on. It's always fun, fun. Uh, don't scout too much. Make sure you get some sleep, please, and thank you.
Yeah,
Ryan, what are you ready
I
to
will
do?
get some sleep and I'll get a new computer. And when I do that, we can do this again.
Okay, sounds good. That's okay. That's okay. So again, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Ryan, have a wonderful weekend. See you guys. Beth, Andrew, Stuart, come on, Christy, Ian, QNT. Okay, yeah. Virus, let's go. Stay blessed, Shane. Virus, peace. Alrighty, guys.
Stay
Ian, have a
blessed,
good one.
everyone. Stay blessed.
There you go. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Good weekend. Bye, guys. Good night.
Blaze, till next time.
Till next time. Bye, Ryan. Bye.
Bye.